The pros and cons of starting a Facebook group. Facebook groups are just one of many options for businesses looking to market themselves online. They are just one of many options for businesses looking to market themselves on Facebook alone. With so many platforms and tools out there, no company can possibly include every single one of these in its strategy. So it all falls to you to decide which marketing strategies are the right ones. In this presentation, we'll take a look at the pros and cons of Facebook groups specifically to see whether they are a good option for your business. Pro: they're great for engagement. Facebook groups encourage a lot of engagement. They are ideal for encouraging communities to form around your business and for helping people feel like a part of something. That's amazing for getting people more invested in your brand. Con: they're not the best for organic growth. Facebook groups are often set to secret, meaning they can't be discovered in the feed. Even if yours is not, you will find it's less effective at organic growth than is a Facebook page. That's because Facebook page posts can be shared by your users to their broader networks. Facebook groups don't provide this option. Pro: they can run themselves. Eventually, a Facebook group will end up running itself. This is ideal if you want to step back and let your community grow without needing to do anything. Set some moderators and let your users create posts that they will fill with new content without your needing to raise a finger. Con: they require an upfront time investment. At least at first, though, these groups will involve a time investment as you'll need to encourage new members, post content, and also moderate everything that happens. This can take a lot of work, and especially if you need to approve new members. Pro: they're great for market research. With a Facebook group, you have a direct line of communication with the very people that buy your products. This can be ideal for learning about what attracted them to your business in the first place and informing future decisions. Con: they can hurt your branding. As mentioned, a Facebook group requires a little moderation. If you aren't doing this enough, then you might find that the conversation can at times become toxic. This is bad news because it can end up reflecting badly on your brand. So, is a Facebook group right for you?